create and simulate a basic AND logic gate in Delta WPL software. So that is PLC software. First, go to File and click New. Enter your program file. We shall name it as AND gate and select your PLC model. Then switch over to the ladder diagram mode to start building the logic program. Now, click the normally open contact icon or press F1. Set the device name as X0. Same for X1. Then now click the output coil icon or press F7. Assign the output device as Y0 and click OK. Next, write to PLC. Click on write to PLC to transfer the program. If prompted, compile the ladder logic by clicking yes. Turn on the simulator mode. Then click run to set the PLC into run mode. To test the AND gate, right click X0 and set it to on. Notice that the output Y0 remains off. Now right click X1 and turn it on as well. Since both input are active, output Y0 turns on, and that's how an AND gate works in WPL software.